Classic, elegant, powerful. These are just a few words that describe one of the most iconic cars in automotive history, the Ford Thunderbird. Today, we're diving into the story behind the 1955 to 1957 Thunderbird, America's first luxury sports car. Stick around to learn how this timeless beauty made waves in the world of performance and style. Welcome back to the channel, car enthusiasts. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more classic car stories like this one. Now let's talk about the Ford Thunderbird, a car that redefined what it meant to combine luxury with performance. The Ford Thunderbird was introduced in 1955, and it wasn't just another car, it was a revolution. The first of its kind, the Thunderbird set out to blend the power and thrill of a sports car with the comfort and luxury of a high-end vehicle. And when it was released, it caught the attention of everyone, from casual car buyers to automotive critics. Before the Thunderbird, cars like the Chevrolet Corvette were focused purely on performance. Ford saw an opportunity to create something that didn't just go fast, it offered a complete driving experience. Let's break down the elements that made the Thunderbird stand out. First off, it was a convertible, giving it that perfect blend of open-air freedom and style. The exterior was sleek and aerodynamic, with clean lines that hinted at its performance capabilities. And don't forget the signature front grille, bold, chrome, and instantly recognizable inside. The Thunderbird offered an upscale experience with plush leather seating, a stylish dashboard, and every luxury feature available for the time. This wasn't just a car, it was a statement. Under the hood, the Thunderbird offered some serious power. In its first year, it came with a 292 cubic inch V8 engine, producing 193 horsepower, plenty of power to get the blood pumping. But what truly made it special was how Ford combined that performance with a smooth, comfortable ride. This wasn't just a car for racing, it was a car for enjoying the open road in style. The early Thunderbirds, particularly the 1955 model, were equipped with a 3-speed manual transmission, giving enthusiasts that pure driving experience. However, by 1956, Ford introduced an optional automatic transmission, broadening the car's appeal. But the Thunderbird's influence didn't stop at the design and performance. Its debut marked the beginning of a new era in American motoring. It was the car that made luxury sports cars a mainstream concept, something both desirable and attainable. No longer did a car have to be either practical or thrilling. With the Thunderbird, you could have both. Interestingly, the success of the first-generation Thunderbird wasn't just in its sales numbers. It was about setting a new standard. Ford's gamble with the Thunderbird paid off, and it quickly became one of the most coveted cars in the country. By 1957, they had sold over 53,000 units, a remarkable feat at the time. By the time the 1957 Thunderbird rolled off the production line, it had undergone a few updates, including a more powerful 312 cubic inch V8 engine, pushing out 245 horsepower. These refinements made the 1957 model even more of a performance icon, while keeping that signature blend of elegance and style. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite memory or fact about the Ford Thunderbird? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. And hey, if you know someone who loves classic cars, share this video with them. They'll thank you later. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep driving in style.